dreams. You know, it's not bad if you will go with practicality instead of choosing what you're dreaming of. Because I can literally compare it to myself, to what I am experiencing, okay? As a fresh graduate from my previous school, I really wanted to pursue my career. But then again, I choose practicality. That's why I am here. So what I advise for those people whose dreams they cannot achieve, it's okay. It's okay to take a break. It's not a problem. What you do, you just have to take a deep breath. You have to post from the problems that you're experiencing. Maybe those are the hindrance. That's why you don't achieve your dreams. What I want to tell you, keep your feet on the ground, eyes to the ball. This is not a race. Even this is not yet the time yet for you. But definitely, you will go and achieve your dreams. So don't stop fighting.